Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of badminton racket manufacturing. Ever wondered how these sporting gems are made? Let's take a quick trip to a badminton racket factory. Here, skilled craftspeople turn raw materials into high-performance badminton rackets. They start with the head of the racket, typically made of lightweight metal or carbon fiber for added strength and durability. Next, they turn to the frame. This is usually made of high-quality aluminum or carbon fiber for its lightweight yet sturdy properties. It's then shaped into its final form using specialized machinery. The process is a meticulous one, requiring precision and skill to ensure each racket meets strict quality standards. Once the frame is in place, it's time for the strings. These are usually made of nylon or polyester, chosen for their durability and ability to provide a consistent playing experience. The strings are carefully strung onto the frame using specialized equipment, ensuring each string is taut and securely in place. Finally comes the grip and trimming of excess material. This is where the racket takes its final shape and becomes ready for use on the court. So there you have it, a glimpse into how badminton rackets are made. It's an intricate process that requires not just technical knowledge, but also a deep love for the sport itself. Thank you for joining me on this tour through the world of sports equipment manufacturing. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay active and keep playing.